Congratulations, you've written your essay. Now we need to make sure it's in the right format. For your cause and effect essay, we're going to put it in the MLA format, which is fairly easy, and I'm going to show you how. First, pull out your cause and effect assignment sheet. You'll see there, partway through, you can find assignment guidelines. This tells you about what your essay needs to look like. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my essay is in New Times Roman font size 12. So I've got my essay here. I'm going to select everything. And then up here at the top, I'm going to select Times New Roman font. There is a drop-down menu. Okay, so I can go all the way down. I think it's under T for Times New Roman. Times New Roman right here, and I'm going to just select that. Okay, great. And then I'm going to check up here, and yes, indeed, it is in size 12. I also need to make sure that everything is double spaced. So up here, I'm going to click here and click on 2.0. Great. Now it is double spaced. I need to make sure that my title is centered, so I can do that by selecting my title and clicking here to center it. And then I need to capitalize my title, and I'm going to capitalize everything except for small words in the middle. I'm not going to capitalize with because it's a small word in the middle. Okay, then I need to make sure that I put this information in. So, and it needs to be over on the left side, so I'm going to align it left, then the student's name, so that's my name, and then the teacher's name. I'm going to pretend that the teacher is Mrs. Barb Cohen, and then the class, and then the date, and today is January 25, 2017. Okay, great. So I've got this information and then the title. I also need to put the page number up at the top with my last name. So to do that, I'm going to go up all the way to the top screen, way at the top. You can't see it here, but if you look across the top, I can see Word, File, Edit, View, and then Insert. I'm going to click Insert, and then when it comes down, I'm going to click Page Numbers. All right, and then I want them to be at the top of the page, a header, and I want them to be at the right. And I want to show the number on the first page. Okay. So I can see there is the page number. It's going to automatically number them, which will be great because then I don't have to worry if I change something here. If something changes, the page numbers are going to stay the same. So this is page 1, this is page 2. And then if I get this far, that's page 3. I also need to put my last name here. So I'm going to click over here. I want it to be aligned at the right, and then I'm just going to type my last name in and then click back over here. Great. So I've got the page numbers in there. The last thing I want to check on is, do I need to indent the paragraphs? So I'm going to look at the sample essay that's at the end of your assignment sheet. This is from the Purdue OWL Online, which is a great resource. Okay, so I can look right here and I see that they indented the first line. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to look down at my keyboard, and on the far left there's a key called Tab. So I hit that and that indents it. I don't need an extra space here, but I do need to indent. And again on this paragraph, and that paragraph, and finally my last paragraph there. Great. Now I just need to remember to save, and my essay is in the MLA format.